Can you guess the baby animal just by its picture? Let's start. Easy level first. First one. Puppy second one. Kitten third one. Chick. If you got the first three, smash that like button. Moving ahead. Fourth one. Elephant. Fifth one. Panda. Quick check. Are you paying attention? No cheating. Don't peek at the next slide. Sixth one. Duckling. Seventh one. Rabbit. Eighth one. Goat. Ninth one. Tiger. Final one. Are you ready? 10th one. Baby monkey. Comment your score below. Follow for more fun baby animal quizzes.